Hello guys, today we are going to learn about some bold text, strong text, italic text and some EM text. So first of all I have inserted some paragraphs with some values. For the bold text we have to use B element which gives a nice bold text. B element which gives us bold text. So first of all I'm going to save it and refresh it. It gives a bold text, and strong element is the same as bold element. So in the HTML5 instead of bold tag the strong element is used. So I'm going to copy and paste because I like it. And okay, strong. I have created a strong element and refresh it. Look at these two paragraphs. It gives same style for both paragraph. This is bold element and this is strong element. And for the italic and EM element, I and EM, it both of these also same. So for the italic we use I tag, and for the emphasized text we use EM tag. Okay, I am going to save it and refresh it. Look at these two paragraphs. It also gives italic text and emphasize. Both paragraph are same. So that's is the main difference between bold italic. And we are also going to learn some superscript and subscript element. Superscript means we have to use some, okay, I am going to enter some x raised to n or x square or raised to something values. Mathematical expression are mainly used superscript. So I am going to use x raised to n or x raised to y. For the x raised to y we have to use superscript element, opening tag and closing tag. In the tag we have to use the value. If I am going to use x raised to n, so I give that x raised to n. Okay, refresh it. It gives us a superscript element x raised to n. And for the subscript element, which is mainly used in chemical reactions etc. For H2O, for example H2O, H2 and O. 2 is mainly in subscript element, so we have to use sub, opening tag and closing tag, subscript. Okay, save it and refresh it. H2O. Okay, add some line break. Okay, x raised to n, this is the superscript element, and H2O, this is subscript element. Okay, that's all for now. See you in next video.